Under dupe on Amazon. Hello guys, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. If you are new, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't and follow me on Instagram. I always link it down below, but I'll leave my name on the screen. So I'm starting a weekend in my life here in New York and I'm excited. First things first, let me show you my outfit. Outfit of the day. These hoops are the, I'll link them in the comments. This sweater is from ASOS. How cute are the little sleeves? And then I'm wearing dark wash denim. Kind of vibing with it. H&M flare dark denim. And these little shoes. How cute. Partially because they're too long and I haven't gotten them hemmed yet, but also is like my vision with these jeans. So I'm wearing these little Manolos, small heel. How cute are these? And that is my outfit. Happy Thursday. All right, we just got back from Connecticut today, or yesterday. I need to unpack. I just brought this over the weekend, but I have some goods and then maybe some laundry, some vacuuming. I got most of my work done. I'm watching the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard trial. I don't know why it's so interesting to me to watch this trial. It's kind of like how people like their like murder mystery things. I don't love all that because I can't take murder. I can't take like stuff like that. So I can watch it because I do love watching the justice system. So I find it very interesting. Brooks is chilling. He's exhausted today. He gets a lot of workout because both my parents and Dan's parents have dogs. So Brooks is exhausted. So I'm just gonna clean up. Chill day. I'm not feeling the best. I had some pretty intense allergies, so I'm just like run down. So I'm just gonna clean up, relax, and watch this trial. I don't know. Craziness. Guys, I'm sitting on a bench, spending some time outside with Brooks, hanging out. Okay, I wanted to pop on because I just did a little unboxing on my TikTok and I didn't want to forget to show you here. But Cadence just sent me this little package. I've been loving their stuff. It's so stinking cute. Look at this packaging. But they make little pill boxes. Look at this. You can customize the top to little like emojis, or you can write like what they are, but you can use them for travel. They magnetize together. I chose the pink ones because like, come on, how cute. These feel so high quality and nice, and like I've never seen anything like that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these little tops come off, so you could just buy a bunch and they magnetize on. Wow, whoever made this company, props to you. So smart. Wow. They're just like little pill capsule holders, which is great for travel. Put it in your purse. We love aesthetic, everyday things. How cute is that? So thank you, Cadence. I will link them down below. Go get them. They're stinking cute. Then I saw someone post about a beauty blender dupe on Amazon and I wanted to try it out. They posted a bunch, the one they got was like a bunch of different colors, but they had an option for all black, so I got those. Comes with a bunch of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got the black ones. I just opened it. First impressions, it feels like a little bit tauter, but I have good good hopes for it. The material feels the same. It's very velvety. Love the shape. I am excited, and it was definitely a lot cheaper than a beauty blender. So there we go. And I like to stay more back to, I try to limit my like single use or like multiple purchase type of items, but beauty blenders truly, I get grossed out when they're too, because you can't clean them properly and they hold a lot. It's literally a sponge. So I get a little grossed out. So that's something that I like to change more frequently. So I don't love to buy the $20 beauty blender. I think realistically people are buying a $20 beauty blender and keeping it for years, and that's not great. So just buy the cheaper ones. Okay, and then you can have a pack of 5, and then when it's really bad or you notice your skin getting bad, move on to the next one. So my personal thoughts, I will link it down below, but I am gonna try it. But that was just my first initial feelings. I got another Skims package because I'm obsessed, and every time I see that they have like a drop or more available things, I just buy it. So I've been in the market for some new underwear. Okay, so it wasn't just like for nothing. I need new underwear, and I love their underwear, and it washes really well. I don't dry it, but it washes really well. So I got a few underwears. I like the front dip thong the best. I got black and pink. This is just like me showing my underwear, like my brother watches this. Hey, but whatever, Skims is the best. And then these little boy shorts in the color Fire. It's definitely like orange, but love the little boy short to sleep in. And then I thought I got another one. I think this is Sienna. I love Sienna. Yeah, Sienna or Umber? No, Clay. Oh, this looks darker. Isn't this Clay also? No, this is Sand. Okay. Whew. Okay, and then I got the color Clay. Then I bought this cami top in the color Sand. I wanted like a basic, really good kind of like lighter color. I want white, but you know, this will go as well. We'll try it. This is a bodysuit. The material is amazing. I'm not sure if it's gonna be see-through or not. We'll see. I'll try it on. And lastly, I got the famous dress, and I'm very excited about it. I am gonna order an Amazon dupe of what I saw, the Skims. I saw a lot of Amazon dupes on the Skim dress, and I want to test them out like one for one. But I know that I used to have a dress like this, and I wore it all the time, but it was too big for me. And so I know that I'll wear this all the time. So when I saw it in stock, I just bought it. So I got the black Skims dress. It's like totally ribbed. I thought it wasn't, but it's definitely ribbed. Do you see that? I didn't actually realize that when I saw it on other people, but it is a ribbed material. I thought it looked more smooth, but I know that it's gonna just hold you in. I'm excited for that. So that's my little haul. Now I gotta clean this up. Another outfit of the day today. Oh, I am wearing these tiny oval Ray-Bans. These are adorable. I'm really loving these hoops lately. I am wearing this monkey denim top. It's got little buttons, and I did like a whole cowboy thing going on today. So I got this denim jeans from ASOS, black bag, cowboy boots. And that's the outfit. How stinking cute, am I right? Let me show you the mirror. I'm sorry, but I'm obsessed with this outfit. I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.